And our guy, this is one of those weird situations. I don't know why they untied the boat. But that's what he chose to do. And they're going to go for probably a little bit more of the complicated method. And I believe it's his girlfriend or wife who's backing the truck down. And it's kind of interesting because he's kind of been a little frustrated with her. And she's actually not doing bad. She's getting the trailer down. It's just not very deep. It's not quite deep enough. Right there, obviously, he tried to load it a little too early. And it kicked back on him back into the dock. But I mean, it's part of the game. You see he's throwing his hands up like, hey, bro, bring this further back. But, you know, this is one of the joys of boating as a couple, is being able to do these things together, right? I mean, let me know in the comments below how well it goes with you and your spouse. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy, Wavy Boats. It's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. And it's funny because she's kind of got a smile laughing on her face, but my man is straight stone cold right here. Like, just, he's not feeling it, and he's not thrilled or impressed with this one right now. And she's heading back to the cab of the truck, so I'm assuming we're going to try sinking this trailer just a little bit deeper. Now, he's got to be careful standing here. I hate seeing people behind a truck as they back up, because if he slips or falls, she's not going to see him. So here we go. She's going to keep backing up, and she can see him right now. And hopefully he keeps standing will be good. So he's telling her to stop. And now keep on moving. Yeah, I figured they need to get a little deeper than this, though. But they have to be careful. The ramp is slick here at Black Point, and they're almost at that point where they're going to start playing with fire, trying to get this truck out. And it's a two-wheel drive forward. We've seen how they fare lately. And he keeps going, but right here, man, this is just a strange method. He could have left this boat tied up, went and backed this down to the depth that he preferred, and just pushed this thing on and been done. This just seems like it's a whole lot more complicated than it needs to be. And so he's trying to pull it on. I'm assuming now we're going to switch over to the winch, though, and try and winch this thing up. Even the girl on the dock's like, I wonder why they did it that way. It's kind of the look she's giving. So at least he's got it on now. Looks like they'll get this one winched over here and hopefully be able to get this thing out of here. And she's backing up again. Was he asking her to? Once again, one of those things you just got to be careful about when somebody's down there. Maybe he was and we just couldn't see him. It looks like he's got it up, so he's going to tell her to get out of here. And no, exactly as I predicted, we came too far back now. I mean, she's spinning. Oh, she's sliding backwards, spinning tires. Careful. And he's going to try and talk her through it, I guess. If I was the dog in the bed of the truck, I'd probably be wanting to get out of the... Oh, now they're sliding backwards. They got to be careful. I'd probably be trying to get out of the bed of this truck if I was the dog. So he's trying to give her a hand. I mean, this is a tough spot. They need some weight on the rear of the truck. So if he really wants to help her, that's what he should be doing. He's back there bouncing in the bed of the truck. Here we go. She's giving a little power, but no, we're just going to continue to slide. I don't know what that was. He reached his hand inside the... All right, she's going to put it in park and basically said, you don't like the way I'm doing it, you do it, bro. And she's even going to give him a hand. He was giving her moral support. She's like, let me push you, babe. I got you. And he's still spinning it up, and they're going to have to get some weight on the truck. That's about it. I don't think they're going to get this one out on their own. And now the dog's like, yeah, bro, I know there's wildlife in these waters, and I don't want nothing to do with being in the water. So he's almost to the top now. He almost got it out, But that's it. He's at the top of the hill, and we've hit that peak that we see everybody else hit. I actually think the car pulling in front of him here kind of messed him up. He stopped for a second. He might have had the momentum he needed to get out. And the car kind of coming at him, he had to stop real quick, and now he's stuck again. And here comes the help we need. So we'll get a little bounce action. The dog's going to get in on it as well. And that's, man, man, they might need one or two more people still. Making a scene down here at Black Point. Oh, we're getting a little grip. He's almost there. And there we go. He's going to make it out. For a minute there, I wasn't sure. When I saw this truck sliding back early on, I was nervous we were going to have another floater. But these guys will get it out, and they'll be able to get on out of here. And our crew is coming in, and they decided they're going to back out, but I can't tell. It looks like Dodge decided it's not going to be outdone by Ford. It's just not going to let it happen. It said, if you're going to get stuck down here, we're going to get stuck down here as well, as I think this Dodge is stuck also. So we got a couple guys at the passenger window. It looks like we're trying to shout some instructions and get things ready to roll. And we're going to go ahead straight into the bed, and we're going to try and give a little help. And let's see how this one rolls. We're going to go with the 3-pack on the back and see if that's enough extra weight for them to be able to get this thing out of here. And here we go. Well, he's going backwards. That's the wrong direction, bro. It's weird because the reverse lights aren't on. I'm not sure if he was in neutral sliding backwards or they were spinning tires and just going that direction. And now we're spinning tires. Let's go. He's gonna get it out and starting to get a little grip, but they got to clear the pinnacle of the hill, and they're gonna make it. And both our trucks today, well, they're gonna make it out with some success, and these guys will be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. We have my channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.